bit, I have a ferry ride to Capri and I'm going to spend the day there. I am at the dock where you get on the ferry. And it's so pretty over here. So cute. The ferry ride is like an hour and I'm just so excited to relax on a ferry. Oh, and I'm obsessed with this necklace I got. I got it from Positano and it's the Italian horn. So cute. I love it. Did you know that you can get like a tax credit at the airport? I had no idea that was like a thing. I'm super excited to be in Capri. I have to try a caprese salad and hopefully go on a boat tour and do some shopping maybe. Look how gorgeous and fun this is. Our journey from Salerno to Capri had stops in Maori, Amalfi, and Positano to pick up passengers headed to one of the stops. This prestigious Italian native, who may have walked out of a Brunello Cucciolini ad, kept us entertained with facts about the coast. It was still early morning and the clouds hadn't yet parted to reveal the mountain peaks or sunshine. It created an eerie atmosphere, one that excited me to leave behind. Once the island of Capri was visible from a distance, I couldn't believe its beauty. Its sight made my heart race. So I reached for the railing and listened to the waves as we crashed into them, inching closer and closer to the dock. The sounds of vintage cars and the bright colored fruits led me to a small restaurant where I drank a refreshing lemon spritz and ate homemade vegetarian lasagna. It was so delicious. After lunch, I took myself on the most brilliant boat tour of the island. I booked it through Airbnb and I put the link to the experience in the description below. It was myself and two other couples on the boat tour. We were taken around the island by our tour guide, who told us stories of the Roman Empire and Capri's history. As I listened to stories and learned more about its history, I couldn't help but drift off and study the limestone rocks. We also passed by the heavily trafficked Blue Grotto, and then stopped near Three Sisters Grotto, where I was able to jump off the boat and into the beautiful sea. Once we were finished swimming in the beautiful sea, we got back onto the boat and I changed into a white linen tee. We then headed towards the three towering rock formations that were absolutely stunning. I seriously could not believe how massive and beautiful they were. As we headed back to the dock, I was left saying, "You guys, Capri is so amazing." The tour was honestly so amazing and something that everyone needs to experience in their life because it was so gorgeous. Like, words can't even describe it. And I know I say that all the time about basically everything. But this, I mean it. I mean it every time I say those words. But this time they were like for real on 10. I want to do shopping, but it's very chaotic over here. Oh, let's see where I end up. So I found the shopping. I don't know where to go first. Ooh, Prada? Look at the Prada store. Wow, I want to look at the jewelry. Those are gorgeous. So pretty up here. Look at this view. This gorgeous view of Capri. I have to take a photo. I heard, like, any Italian since I've been here. It's only English. Shout out to the tourists. One of the Prada stores. Should I buy something? Do you hear me? Oh, look at all this lemon stuff. Oh, where's Prada? Is it closed? Okay. The store. Do they have anything reasonable? Some magnets, bracelet. Yeah, nothing for me. So pretty. So many jewelry stores. Oh, look at that hat. Oh, I love that hat. Oh my god, those hats are so expensive. Yikes. Like, I am so embarrassed for the souvenir industry because every village, town, Providence that I've been to has had the same exact souvenirs. And I think it's like, someone needs to step up their game and get with the times. Because everything's the same. I don't want a magnet. I don't want a pencil. I don't want a t-shirt. But I don't know what I want. I need them to provide that for me because this view is just crazy. Oh. Look at it. I love Capri. Well, from this side. I need to take another photo. Have these flowers all set up. So pretty and perfect. So I have a ferry ride back to Salerno at 5:30 and I have absolutely no idea where it's supposed to be picked up. I'm assuming the same place where I was dropped off, but oh, I would love a coffee right now. I was literally sweating earlier, like I was wet. It was so bad. It's so hot. I don't want any cheese. I have cheese, like wheel that I could take back to America.
Bio.
Let's see. Oh, okay.
Pecorine, chèvre, camembert, parmigiano, quello che vuoi.
Okay.
Oppure pecorino lemon, pecorino orange, pecorino pistachio. Very good.
Centrifuga.
Is this your shop? Like you own it? No, it's okay.
Con il cellulare, no? No, produzione?
Okay.
Produzione?
Yeah.
Cooking al moment, sandwich al moment.
Sounds
Tipico.
good. I have to go on
Gastronomia
the
tipica.
airplane.
Sì, così, non problema.
Okay, good. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll
Non
just get that
problem.
too.
Così e non problem così, non problem.
What is fish vegetariano?
Sì, vegetable. Vegetable, spice, vegetable, no spice.
Okay. I'll just get this.
Ok. Con carta?
Okay.
Sei in vacanza?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Grazie.
Thank you.
Vacanza qui, Capri. Vacanza.
You?
Tu, vacanza qui, Capri.
Yeah.
Tomorrow Capri.
Okay.
Tomorrow Capri.
Yeah.
Tomorrow mia family, figlia.
Aw.
Lei English, io no.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Grazie.
Grazie. You guys, I got the cheese. Oh my goodness. Wild experience. Too much was going on. Oh, but I got the cheese, finally. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, I don't think there's anything down here. I'm gonna walk back. So lost. But I don't care because I look like I got the cheese. This was the cutest place too. Like, you guys have to go here if you're in Capri. They kept saying they were in the north. Then I asked them, I said, is your family from the north? Because you know there's this great divide between the north and southern parts of Italy. And I wrote in my translate app, is your family from the north? And she said, no. It was great, and I'm so happy that I have the cheese. You have literally no idea. I got Parmesan and something with lemon. And I trust them. I'm sure it's delicious. So I'm walking down to go back to like the dock to get on the ferry. I would say today was such a successful day in Capri. It was so beautiful, and I saw another part of Italy that just makes me so happy. For shopping, we didn't buy much, but I found my cheese. I cannot wait to try it. It's gonna be delicious. I think that closes it out for Capri. Thanks so much for watching. But again, I just have to show you the view. It is just so perfect.